and welcome to the MeMinder 3 tutorial series. In this video, we are going to explain how to create a sequence that will play when you tap on one of your daily tasks. This is one of the new advanced features introduced in MeMinder 3. Please launch the MeMinder app from your Android or iOS device. If you are shown the login page, please enter your login information. If you need any help with logging in, please check out our other tutorial videos.
Welcome to MeMinder. Please tap the item that you want to hear.
If MeMinder opens to the Talking Pictures view, go to the Settings and switch to the Caregiver view. Now, pick one of the daily tasks that you would like to create a sequence for. Swipe to the left and tap on the Edit icon. The Edit page has been modified a bit in MeMinder 3, and there are additional options at the bottom of the page. The option we are looking for is on the bottom right. This icon will show as a gray color if there is no sequence for this item, and a purple color if there currently is a sequence for this item. Tap on this icon to view the sequence editor. This page will show the sequence start message, the end message, and all of the steps in the sequence. All of these items are text-based and will utilize the device's built-in text-to-speech capabilities. If you would like to modify the default start or end message, tap in one of the text fields to edit it. When you are ready, tap on the blue plus button to create a step for the sequence. This will take you to the step editor. This page will allow you to create spoken text for a step, create an optional timer for the step, and add an optional image for the step. Let's create the first step for the mopping item. Although this is completely optional, you can also add an image to help illustrate the step. You can use the built-in camera on the device, or you could open the gallery on the device to pick a previously taken image. When you are done, tap on the green check mark at the top of the page. Your step has been successfully added. Now let's add another step. Sometimes a gentle reminder might be needed to help keep the step completed in a timely manner. In this case, we will want to add a timer value. Let's set this timer to 2 minutes. Now, let's save this step. Keep adding steps until you feel the sequence has enough details. Once all of the steps have been added, their order can be adjusted with the up and down arrows. When you are done, tap the green check mark at the top of the page. Now tap the green check mark on the Edit page to complete your edits for this scheduled item. Let's go back to the Talking Pictures view to demonstrate the sequence. Tap on the mopping item to start the sequence.
Mop the inventory floor. Please swipe up on the screen to get started.
Swipe upwards on the screen to go to the next step. During the sequence, you can also swipe downwards to return to the previous step.
Step 1. Grab your mop. Step 2. Grab the mop bucket.
You will notice a timer gauge on the bottom of this step's screen. When the gauge is full, it will give the user a reminder that it is time to move on to the next step.
Step 3. Get the floor cleaner. Step 4. Mop this section of the inventory floor. Step 5. Put everything away. Great job, you're all done. Please swipe up to close this page.
Just like other daily items, when the user is done with the sequence, they can swipe to the left to remove it from their schedule.
Please tap the red X to remove this item.
That covers the new sequence capabilities for MeMinder 3. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us at any time at support@createabilityinc.com. Thank you for watching.